Hey guys, this is Diego Gonzalez from MonolithPaint.com, and I just finished some cool new skull stencils for my new tutorial. And I know I've been talking about putting them up online, and I haven't had the chance to do it because I've been so busy doing a ton of other big projects. But now I finally have them out, and I just actually had somebody, one of you guys, hand for letters. Thank you, man. I appreciate it for ordering this one. So I actually hooked them up with two of these for being just ordering on that. So. Skull pile stencils, awesome. Just a little bit about them real fast for backgrounds. I use them all the time, and this is a really cool full one. So you can put this on like a t-shirt or anything you want to, or use it on automotive or whatever surface you want. It's cool, it's flat, it's like a hard like plastic, so it's durable, like a bend, and you can beat it up, and it lasts awesome, amazing. And I just kind of want to show you some templates I made. I know you guys have been wanting to get some, so now they're on the website. I'll hit the link below so you can check them out and purchase it if you want to. I'm selling this one for I'm selling the individual ones for 15 bucks. And if you get like the combo, they're like 25, so you can save some money there, and to give you free shipping too. So that's awesome, because I hate paying for shipping on stuff. So I thought I'd hook that up for you for being YouTube subscribers, and that's just like an offer for you guys. But I'm gonna do a cool tutorial from beginning to end using these. And also, the cool thing about it is if you sub to my Patreon, you can actually, it's like, I think it's like 20 bucks a month, and I give you like some stencils and stuff. It's cheaper, and you get all my behind the scenes videos and all that cool stuff. So I want to show you this stuff and let you guys know, like, I want to help you learn how to airbrush. So I don't want you to think that I'm just trying to like sell you crap. But these are super awesome, and these will help you make money. I'm telling you, one of these, if you did it on a shirt, 30 bucks at least. That's what I would charge, and you'd make it in, like, not even joking, 10-15 minutes. So these things are like gold, man. They pay for themselves. It is, I can't even say enough about them. But I'm gonna do freehand stuff. So I'm gonna teach you how to draw, how to paint, how to airbrush, but also this cool stuff. And you'll see at the end how it comes out. It's gonna be pretty dope, super detailed. And there's a lot of people out there. There's a few people out there actually that sell these stencils, but they don't take the time to talk to you guys, to help you, to give you free tutorials and all that stuff. So I'm saying, man, if you're getting them from anywhere else, come get them from me. I'll talk with you. I'll share all of my knowledge and everything that I know about. And also, I'm an artist too, so I know what sucks and what's good, and I don't want to give you sucky crap. I don't want sucky crap, so I wouldn't give it to anybody else. So I definitely appreciate you guys. Sub to my channel. Check it out. I'll put in the links below for the airbrush stencils if you want to get some. And I appreciate it, guys. Share, follow, like, all that good stuff. And drop a comment. Let me know what you think, what other stencils you want to see, and templates. And I'll talk to you guys later. But here's kind of like a look, everything outside, zoomed out. And then I want to show you real fast one more time because I think they're so cool. I'm so excited about these things. Crazy amount of detail you can get from here using like the system of paint the Createx stuff I love, but really any paint system so here it goes, all the details etched out there in perfect strong, durable automotive resin lasting stencils. So I appreciate you guys. Check me out again, and I'll talk to you again later. All right, bye.